So the Pi network actually launched. Let's talk about it because it's a very interesting price action. Right now, it's basically the only crypto or one of the only cryptos that is moving extremely well in this current market. And the price right now sits at $2.80, up from about $1.60 from its initial launch price here on CoinMarketCap. First of all, please let me know in the comment section if you would like me to make Pi coin updates. I'd be happy to make continual updates if you guys want to see it. So please like this video, smash the subscribe button, turn on those notifications, and let me know in the comment section. And also remember that nothing in my videos is financial advice. So for years, we have been seeing talks of Pi coin. I made videos on my main YouTube channel about Pi 3, 4, 5 years ago now, and I was mining it on and off. I have a number of coins over there, and at $2, we have made quite a substantial amount of money. The only problem is right now, and let me know if you guys are seeing the same thing, most of the coins that I mined aren't verified. So the users who mined them, I think, didn't KYC, so therefore I don't have access to them. So it's a very small portion of my mined Pi that I actually have access to, which is very frustrating. But with that said, there is one reason why I believe that the price may actually be only rising right now with not much sell pressure, and that's because not many people can sell because they might be like me and actually don't have access to pretty much all of their coins. So let me know down there in the comment section if you're having something similar. That gives me cause for concern right now. However, that doesn't mean that we can't go higher. Right now, it's an $18 billion market cap. It's very new. It's up, close to a 2x from its initial inception. The volume per market cap is 18%, and the volume in the 24 hours is 3.43 billion, which is a lot. There are a lot of people trading this and excited about this. It's listed on OKX, BitGet, MEXC, Gate.io, LBank, most of these middle tier exchanges. The big guys like Coinbase, Bybit, Binance, they haven't got it yet. So that could be even more volume to come already. But with not much sell pressure, I do want to hear from you guys if you kind of feel like the same way as I do. Now, Bitcoin's price, of course, right now is at 86,200. It's not doing great, but it is holding our little zone here that we were hoping it would bounce off of on the main channel. Basically, my speculation here was always if we lost 90,000, the chances of us coming down to retest previous highs and the CME gap, which sit between 73 and 77, 78, are the regions that I would assume Bitcoin would test. Now, we do have a little bit of a fair value gap here, which means there's a hunt for liquidity that's happening, and we have bounced out of that region quite nicely. This morning, we saw resistance here, and we've broken out of it. So if we can flip this resistance into a support, head higher, and then make a chance to break the $90,000 region again, this is going to be very good for the market, and time will tell. I do also, of course, trade this market, and right now, we have had lots of our buys that we made in the scared part of the market. The scary part do quite nicely. We got about $2,000 profit here on the Bitcoin trade. We got, profit everywhere else. It's not massive amounts of profit, but hopefully we get more if the market starts to bounce. If you guys do want to do something similar, I have all the links to the exchanges that I use down there in the description, guys. Over $5,000 over on BitUnex, over $10,000 over on BTCC. So go and grab those while you still can, and hopefully Pi network continues to grow. Now, I did want to do a little bit of speculation and figure out what Grok has to say. So Grok's top end speculation 2030, if Bitcoin hits $200,000 to $400,000, they could expect that Pi coin could hit $50 to $200. In 2025, Grok predicted up to $15 for Pi network, and in 2027 up to $50. But this would have to have Bitcoin being high at around 200,000. Some of the things that Grok actually pointed out was very interesting, because optimists point Pi's massive user base of over 60 million users with 19 million verified through KYC. So even if a fraction of them start using Pi in the real economy, we're thinking decentralized apps, payments, or staking, demand could spike. And some forecasts for coins like Coin Minutes suggest 267 by 2030. 30, guys. Absolutely ridiculous. On the flip side, however, the max supply is 100 billion tokens and millions have already been mined. If the open mainnet floods the market with sell pressure from early miners, the price could tank in the short term, maybe even below $1. So if you're looking for an entry, right, you could look at below $1 as an entry for lower risk speculation. If you wanted to enter now, of course, it's totally up to you if you believe in the future of Pi. But with these sorts of price predictions, it's very exciting. Now, as we speak, of course, full transparency, I do hold some Pi, nowhere near as much verified Pi as I would have hoped to. But let me know in the comment section, do you think it's possible for Pi token to go as high as $200 in 2030? Let me know. Are you holding? Are you selling the verified Pi? And again, let me know in the comment section if you want me to bring you updates on the market with respects to Pi coin, because I'll be happy to do that. But you have to let me know down there in the comment section. Remember, all of the exchanges that I like to use are also down there, and I'll see you guys in the next one.